Hello everyone. In today's project we will be learning how to create a simple triangle using a turtle. A turtle is a Python tool used to create designs. Step 1 is to pick the Import Turtle block from the Import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. The first block that we will be picking will be the turtle block and the next block will be the screen block. These blocks are used to define the turtle and the screen. Now we add in the screen background block. This block defines the background color of the screen in your design. The next block is the turtle pen color block. This block defines the pen color of the turtle that will be used in the design. After the color blocks, we will add in the turtle speed block. This block is used to define the speed of the turtle pen. Now that we have defined all the properties of our design, let's start forming our design. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section. The turtle forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. We will need 5 of these turtle forward blocks. Now that we have added in these blocks, we need to toggle the second and fourth turtle forward blocks to left. After toggling these blocks, we need to specify the degree of turn that is to be taken. Now we head back to the start and specify the screen background color. After specifying the screen background color, now that all the properties of the design are defined and specified, we need to reduce the turtle pen speed. Now we perform a final check. If correct, run the code and the desired triangle starts forming slowly. Similarly, using turtle we can create more shapes and designs.